Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Galaxy AI features are missing from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So as you may already know, the Galaxy AI is only available on One UI 6.1 or later. So first thing you need to do is open the settings app, go to software update, and here you will need to make sure there are no pending updates. If there are any pending updates, make sure to install them first. Now, if your Samsung phone doesn't show the Galaxy AI features even after you are updated to the latest One UI, you need to go to this general management option. Now here tap on language. Now here you will need to tap on this English United States language. If you don't see it on your phone, simply tap on this add language option and add it first. Once you have added the language, select it and then hit apply. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Samsung phone and you should see the Galaxy AI features on your phone. Finally, if nothing else works, make sure your Samsung phone is actually compatible with Galaxy AI. As you may already know, Galaxy AI is only available for these devices. If you don't see your device on this list, there is no way to enable Galaxy AI on it. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.